Meghalaya People Committee on Aadhaar MPCA ka khanyo trik nailar kala pentep pakaladap ban shimni ka rai ban IT ka khaipot jong ka jing persha ya ka jingmu jong ka sarkar jala ban pentrekam jubor yo Aadhaar number hagani ka jala sha ka yeng ka shari ka Supreme Court abai kran bekilat pathai kubor convener ka MPCA pastor PBM basoi mat loong ka MPCA ka dawana ka sarkar preng ka dei ban pensange mardori ka project Aadhaar mar ka jingle ka sarkar jala kala longkum ba penkhen ya ka hukum jong ka yeng ka shari ka Supreme Court kabla ka do shai bo Aadhaar umdei badon kam ka MPCA kala rai ban IT kaipot sha ka Supreme Court kan tuklar halor ka jingtmu jong ka sarkar jala ban pelong bo Aadhaar number ulong badon kam.
And that is the way we go to the people. We don't say don't take Aadhaar or take Aadhaar, but it's up to you. And that has been an approach. And what are the impact, what are the effect, what are the relevance of this? So that is our stand. And so we, as long as that order remains, the interim order remains, and the cases have to be disposed of by the Supreme Court, we decided that we will just send these materials to the Supreme Court to do what it can do on its second side. So this is what we would like to inform you, and perhaps I have here also General Secretary of KSU, who is very much against Aadhaar because they are using NPR with Aadhaar. And then we have Reverend Perto here from Tur, Maurangli Juki, and they've also shared, and we form part. There are other members who are not able to come here because of.
Katbau Secretary ka KSU ba Augusto Jerwa ulong bakaseng nadu usnam arja khalai kala khang persha ya ka sarkar habai dei bakajing perung kerteng NPR kebedan kajing yeso bat Aadhaar amar ka shepting ya kajing rung kertap bian ki barjala kumna Bangladesh Nepal bat kiwi de
de halor kani ba ngi pat nagaliang sarkar India ka haba ngi nang iba ka interim order jong Supreme Court kolong ba mdei ban penbor yanu ru andre ka shong kamon jong gibril la kitre de gibre andre hayi ni kindiat tayo nglai ko kubor bumi ba ya ka scholarship jong naru kalong mandatory no te hakani kerkom ru nakaliang jongi ru ngila shim jingkit kya ni kunta nakaliang ka KSU hi shimet ngila tho sha education minister pangilai kenduru ya commissioner secretary jongka education body DP walang ngilong tu ba nakaliang di exam ya kecela mekhlia nakaban pendat kami Aadhaar hak scholarship ya kina puli berkhoi te kumbale lang kiwe kecela ka Assam la exam te bele yang ngirung la ban exam te de nakat kadau ba ngi ba sokhya bha halor gani benta hakanur kom ba ding ba ministry jongka education ba kan long mandatory ya kisamla ban yos ban ai Aadhaar ban yos scholarship te de halor gani ngirungin pha kini chingtho baro giyo sha Supreme Court te de halor gani bagi sokhya tenre ngi kapat ba nakaji kajing ekran jungi ba DP walang ikerman ba ya kan iru kan exam kasorgan dia kan exam ya kisamla puli bagi numdei ban ai Aadhaar number shibun ba ki padon Aadhaar number Aadhaar card